Position of the relations here. Let r equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. And S is a relation 4, 2, 2, 5, 3, see, take the continuation here only, 3, 1, 1, 3. Be the relations on A. Then find r dot of s dot r, comma r dot of s dot r, s dot of r dot s, s dot of r dot s, comma s dot of s dot r. First I am going to find r dot s. Take the solution. R dot s, 1, 2 belongs to R. Now we have to see the element which is belongs to the set says which is start with the element 2. 1, 2, 2, 5. Then 1, 5 belongs to R dot s. Next 3, 4 belongs to R. Now we have to see the element of S. In that ordered pair starting with the element 4. 3, 4, 4, 2. Then 3, 2 belongs to R dot S. Next 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. So that is R dot S. Now S dot R is equal to 4, 2. Now see the element of a 2 which is start in the R, that is 2, 2. So therefore 4, 2. 2, 5. Is there any ordered pair having the first element 5 in the R? If there is no element, then there is no combination. Now 3, 1, 1, 2. Therefore 3, 2. 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4. Now we have to find out take down this as r dot of r dot s. R dot of r dot s. So r dot of r dot s. This will be r dot s here. R dot s, 1, 2. Starting with the 2, 2, 5. So 1, 5. 3, 4. There is no element, first element of the ordered pair 4 here. So left it. 2, 2. 2, 5. So therefore 2, 5. That is the r dot of r dot s. Now r dot of s dot r. 1, 2. There is no first element 2 in the s dot r. Next 3, 4. 4, 2. 3, 2. 2, 2. There is no first element 2 here. So 3, 2 is only the one element in r dot of s dot r. Now s dot of r dot s. S is here 4, 2. 4, 2. There is no 2 element in the first element as a 2 in the s dot r. So left it. 2, 5. 2, 5. There is no first element with the 5. 3, 1. 1, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Sorry, that is s dot r. S dot r. Now 3, 1. 1, 4. 3, 4 belongs here. 1, 3. 3, 2. 1, 3. 3, 2 means 1, 2. That is s dot of s dot r. Now s dot of r dot s. 4 comma 2, there is no it is 2 comma 5. 4 comma 2, 2 comma 5 means 4 comma 5. 2 comma 5, from the 5 there is no ordered pair here. 3 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 3 comma 5. Now 1 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Those are the elements of S dot of R dot S. Next we are moving to the properties of a relations. So properties of a relations. Properties of relations. So in the properties of the relation, first one is reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. So reflexive relation means a relation R on a set A is said to be a reflexive. Is said to be a reflexive. Is said to be a reflexive if A comma A is belongs to R for all A belongs to set A. R is said to be a reflexive if A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to set A. In other words, we can also define a relation R on a set A is said to be a reflexive whenever every A of A is related to itself. Said to be is related to itself by the R. So it is said to be a not reflexive. Is said to be not a reflexive. Is said to be not a reflexive if is said to be not a reflexive if A comma A is not belongs to R. If A comma A is not belongs to R for some A belongs to A. A comma A not belongs to R for some A belongs to A. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and R is a relation 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 is not a reflexive. Is not a reflexive because element 4 belongs to set A. 4 belongs to A but 4 comma 4 is not belongs to R. Therefore it is not a reflexive. Suppose set A is simply 1, 2, 3. Then we say that it is a reflexive. But if it is 4 belongs, then it is not a reflexive.